If you're hearing crackling, buzzing, or popping sound from your MacBook Neo speakers, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix all these distorted audio issues and restore clear sound on your Mac Neo. First, when it happens, try a force restart. Press and hold the power button until the device shuts down. Then press it again to turn it back on. Sometimes crackling noise happens due to minor glitches and goes away after a simple restart. Additionally, if you're using a Mac cover or shell, that might be blocking the speaker section. Take it off before playing music or watching videos. Right after that, make sure to clean the speakers on both sides using a soft brush or a blower so there's no dust or debris stuck inside. Also, avoid constantly listening to music at high volume. Try to keep it at a moderate level to prevent distortion. If it still didn't help, now let's check another setting. Go to System Settings, then Sound, and under Output, check the Balance slider. If it's pushed toward the side where you hear the crackling, move it back to the center, or better, set it slightly toward the opposite side so it doesn't put pressure on that specific speaker. If there's no hardwire issue with your Neo speakers, that should help get rid of the crackling and bring your audio back to normal. Stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.